got you. Go ahead, reel it. Got one? You got a shark? You caught a shark? Go ahead, reel it. You're not going. You got to reel it. You'll see it. You got a shark? You caught a shark? Look at daddy. You catch a shark? Let me see it. I want to see your shark. Where is it? Where is it? It's not there yet? Keep going. You got to reel it. You getting tired? It's almost there. Go ahead, reel it. Hey, you better stop taking a break to take bites. Reel your fishy in. Go ahead, reel it. Reel it, fatty. Go ahead. Go ahead. Daddy want to see your shark. Where's your shark? Let me see. What you got? You got catfish, mister. You got bigger fish than daddy got today. Look. Is that why you got tired? You got big ones. You got big fishy. Holy moly. Look. Look what Aiden got.